Right, time for a quick bit of wombling. So to keep my GoPro charged while I'm using it, I've got a charging cable here. So that plugs down in my charger in the corner there, and then up into the front of my helmet. So this one's quite long, and if it's too short, then you can't move around much. So I'm going to turn this cable into a coil sprung type phone, the old phone type cable. So to do that, I've got a bit of rod, which is roughly the size that I want the coils, a couple of clamps, and then a heat gun. So we'll coil this cable up, and then we'll heat it up. So the idea there was just to heat it up till it's hot to the touch, I guess around 60 degrees, about the temperature of a cup of coffee, and then we just let it cool down, and then it should have set as a coil. So pretty happy with that. And see there, it's a nice length, bit of movement. So that should work on just about any charging cable. Nice little easy project if you need one of these coiled cables and they're not available.